Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another hair review and install. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details about this hair, you guys. So A2Z reached out to me and they sent me another one of their bomb units. You guys, they sent me their 13x6 blonde wig, 613 wig, you guys. So this right here is the unit. So this hair is about 30 inches long, or probably shorter, maybe about, I give it maybe 25 inches. It goes to my lower back, and I'm 5'4", so you do the math, okay? So this wig, you guys, is super thick, y'all. Look, this wig is super thick. This wig came bone straight. I actually curled this wig, you guys. This wig is Kinkalon fibers, and it is heat resistant. So yeah, this wig is also glueless. That means you do not have to apply a wig to lay your wig down. If you do not want to, you can just put it on and go. It does come with combs, and it comes with adjustable straps, so you guys can adjust this wig to your size of your head. It does come, like I said, it is a 13x6, so it has plenty of parting space, and parting space is a must, okay? So this wig came within 2 days. Shipping was fast. Like I said, it can be curled if you guys want to know that. This wig did not tangle at all. I did get some shedding from this hair. Like I said, I did cut my baby hairs. I don't know if it was from my baby hairs and things like that, but you do not have to pluck this unit at all. I did not have to pluck my unit. You guys will see that for yourself. I just took this wig out the pack and laid it, okay? Cut the lace, laid it down, period. So yeah, I definitely had to come and show you guys this unit because I am in love. Like, look at the baby's hair. Like, y'all, I'm in love with this wig. So I'm thinking about coloring this wig. So let me know in the comment section below, what color would you guys want to see this wig dyed to. If you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below, let me know your thoughts, and make sure you guys share with your family and friends, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.